dear friends, and welcome back to my channel. For everyone who's new, I'm the Vegan Bossa. Today we are gonna prepare a simple recipe which is for people like me who love to have sweets for breakfast, but still they want it to be very healthy. We are gonna prepare two different variations of chia jams. One is with orange and the other one with strawberries. Both of them are very easy to prepare. In 20 minutes you will have a wonderful and healthy jam, and they can last up to 3 weeks in your fridge. Before continuing with the recipe, if you like my video recipes and you want to receive every week new vegan meal ideas, please subscribe and ring the bell so you can receive the notifications. And now let's prepare with the recipe. The first recipe we are gonna prepare today is the chia seeds orange jam. For this we are gonna need 3 organic oranges, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half cup of agave syrup, 1 inch of fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 1 star anise. First, we are gonna start preparing the ginger. We are gonna cut 1 inch of ginger and peel it, and we are gonna leave it aside because we are gonna use it later for the jam. Then we are gonna zest the organic oranges. Remember that the orange peel is rich in essential oils and also in natural pectins, which will help to thicken the jam and will give it an incredible flavor. Just remember, don't grate the bitter white piece that is underneath the peel. Then we are gonna grate also the fresh ginger, and we're gonna leave it aside because we are gonna add later all the other ingredients. Then we are gonna take the oranges that we have peeled before and we are gonna cut them into quarters. Afterwards, we are gonna clean the slices from the peel and from the white piece. Remember that we have to clean well the pieces from the white piece because the white piece is bitter and we don't want to end up with a bitter jam. Then, when all the pieces are ready, we are gonna put them into the blender and we are gonna blend them for 2 to 3 minutes until we create like a kind of sauce. We are gonna add the blended oranges to the orange zest and grated ginger. Then we are gonna add the agave syrup. You can use also maple syrup or other sweeteners of your choice. Then we are gonna add also 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We are gonna mix them well. The sugar into the agave syrup will help to activate the natural pectin of the oranges. Pour the mixture into a small pan, add the star anise for incredible flavor, and bring the mixture to a boil and let it simmer for 6 to 8 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Mix the chia seeds well, and as you mix, they will become softer and will thicken the jam. Then let the jam simmer for other 5 minutes, and to check if the jam is ready, take a plate and pour some jam and push your spoon through the jam, and if the jam doesn't run back right away, then it is ready. Pour the jam into a container, close the lid, and you can refrigerate it for up to 3 weeks. The second recipe I'm going to prepare today is a strawberry chia seed jam. For this recipe we are going to need 2 cups of strawberries, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, half cup of coconut sugar, half teaspoon of cardamom, and a pinch of vanilla extract. Start to prepare the strawberries Clean them and cut off the stem. Then if you have small strawberries like mine strawberries here, cut them into halves. And in case if you have bigger strawberries, cut them into quarters. Transfer all the strawberries into a mixing bowl. Then add the coconut sugar, or if you want you can add also brown sugar, is the same. Then mix well the strawberries and the sugar for at least 2 minutes. Doing so, the sugar will activate the natural pectin of the fruit and will make the jam thicker. Then we are gonna add the lemon juice and we are gonna put the mixture into a small pan, and we are gonna add also the cardamom and a pinch of vanilla extract to give more flavor to our jam. We are gonna bring it to a boil and we are gonna let it simmer for 6 to 8 minutes into medium flame. The strawberries will become soft, but still you will see some large pieces. Then mash these large pieces with a fork or a spoon and then add the 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. As you mix the chia seeds, you will see that the jam will become thicker. Let it simmer for other 5 minutes and test it into a plate. The same way as we did before with the orange jam, pour some jam in a plate and push your spoon through the jam. If setting point has been reached, the jam will wrinkle and won't run back right away. Then we are gonna pour the jam into a container. We are gonna let it cool down and then we are close the lid and we can keep it in the fridge for up to 3 weeks. Dear friends, I hope you really enjoyed these 2 variations of chia seeds jam. See this cat? It's Luna. And she's making the noise when I'm working. Yes, you're making the noise? Dear friends, I hope you really enjoyed the 2 recipes. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.